This is a artist depiction, Herb Kane, his depiction of our ancient stargazers. And here we have a petroglyph of a stargazer. If you look at it closely, you can see that this is like a stick-figured man sitting. It's a profile sitting, looking up through this instrument up at the stars. So I think you also see this image too on a lot of commercial products. So anytime you see them, then you'll know, hey, that's Stargazer. The other man with the paddle above his head, that's Taurus. So that the understanding of these petroglyphs never gets lost. Okay, this image here, you're actually looking at an ancient carving of a supernova. Now, today's scientists and the modern technology that we have today, only now our equipment is able to capture an image of a supernova. And this is such image here, if you can zoom in. I believe this is a supernova that was caught on film in 1987. I believe, I have to recheck that, but it's right here. Our ancestors had already chiseled this supernova. And what I like about this image is it reminds me of Andromeda's riddle. When she in the Roman mythology, there was a kapu on Andromeda. She was kapu'd, and in order to break her of this kapu, someone had to solve the riddles. And one of the riddles, she says, "In my mind's eyes I see 3 circles joined in priceless, graceful harmony. 2 full as the moon, 1 hollow as a crown. 2 from the sea, 5 fathoms down. 1 from the earth, deep under the ground. The whole a mark of high renown. Tell me, what can it be?" And if you look good at this image, you'll actually see 3 circles bound, joined. And as it stands, the story goes on that it represented the ring given to Calibos by his mother, Thetis, the goddess of the sea. And this ring, which the band was made out of gold, which would be a mineral found in the earth, deep in the earth. And then the two circles from the sea were pearls. So it was a ring from Thetis, the goddess of the sea, to her son, Calibos. So a lot of these legends and myths from other peoples throughout the world, they all seem to have a connection to one another. Because like I've been saying, we are all from an ancient people who know this math. We recognize this math. Our makeup, our molecular structure that makes us who we are recognizes the same math. It's just a matter of continuing to walk this path, and sure enough, you'll find images will jump out at you and you'll figure it out. Oh, I know what that is. And I will say that in my 5 years of walking this path, 2 images were actually pointed out to me by visitors. One was a woman visiting from California, the other was a child from Oregon. So, like I said, we all know this math, and we just have to make it a point to figure it out.